Amid renewed efforts to open up security hit areas in KPK and tribal region for petroleum exploration, the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Resources told a parliamentary panel on Thursday that it had not moved any summary for increase in consumer and natural gas tariff. First up, testifying before the National Assembly's Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Resources, Petroleum Secretary said the decision regarding gas prices were required to be made through consultations among various government departments. First up, these departments included the Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority and the Ministry of Finance, he said, adding that the summary seeking gas price adjustment should go to the Prime Minister through the ministry. First up, I am required to sign the summary and I have not yet signed or forwarded the summary about gas prices, he told the meeting of the Standing Committee on Petroleum led by Bilal Ahmed Virk. First up, the government has frozen consumer and gas prices for more than 2 years now because of the inability of the ministries concerned, particularly the ministries of Finance and Petroleum, to convince the Prime Minister why gas rates be increased when oil prices were going down, with which local gas prices are pegged. First up, this is despite repeated undertakings given by the Finance of Ministry to the International Monetary Fund to increase gas tariff, and determinations issued by OGRA for higher revenue requirements of the two gas utilities. First up, the committee was informed by Minister for Housing and Works that KPK Governor Corps Commander of Peshawar Frontier Regions, first up, Secretary, and KP's Chief Secretary would hold a meeting within a week to finalize a security plan required to facilitate entry of oil and gas exploration companies to start their operations in areas adjacent to Kohat, Hangu, Bannu, Dera Ismail Khan, and federally administered tribal areas. First up, Mr. Durrani, who served as KP's Chief Minister during the Musharraf regime, said he could personally guarantee security of federal bureaucracy and ministries to go up to North Waziristan to see the situation on ground. First up, he said the government functionaries should not play up security situation based on minor incidents to discourage oil companies. Such incidents could happen in Islamabad.